Maharajganj is a city in Uttar Pradesh. It is located in the north of the state, close to the border of Nepal. Maharajganj is an important district known for its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The city is named after a Maharaja who was a ruler in the past. Maharajganj is a vibrant city, a mix of old and new. The people of Maharajganj are friendly and known for their hospitality. The city is a center for trade and an agricultural hub. Maharajganj is a place of peace, a welcome change from the busy cities. Maharajganj is a great place to visit with something for everyone. Come and explore the beauty, discover the charm of Maharajganj. Maharajganj is a land of contrasts, with lush green fields and flowing rivers. Situated in the fertile Gangetic plains, the landscape is mostly flat and ideal for agriculture. The soil here is rich and good for growing crops, with rice and wheat being the main crops. Farmers also grow sugarcane and mangoes. The fields are a sight to behold, a patchwork of green and yellow. The rivers are a lifeline for Maharajganj, providing water for irrigation and supporting a variety of fish. The rivers are a source of livelihood for many. The landscape of Maharajganj is dotted with trees, providing shade and adding to the beauty. Maharajganj is a nature lover's paradise, a place to relax and unwind. The Gandak River is a major river in Maharajganj, known for its vast expanse and serene beauty. It is not just a geographical feature, but a lifeline for the people living in this region. The river is a significant tributary of the Ganges, one of the most revered rivers in India. The Gandak originates in the snow-capped mountains of Nepal, where it begins its journey through diverse landscapes. As it flows through the rural areas of Maharajganj, the river winds its way through fields and villages, eventually joining the mighty Ganges. This journey is not just a physical one, but also a cultural and spiritual passage. The Gandak River holds a special place in the hearts of the people. It is considered holy by Hindus who perform various rituals on its banks. The river is also a crucial source of water for irrigation, sustaining the agricultural activities in the region. Many farmers depend on the river for their livelihood. The water from the Gandak is essential for their crops, making it a vital resource for the local economy. The lush, irrigated farmlands are a testament to the river's importance. The river also supports a variety of fish, making fishing a major source of income for many families. Fishermen can be seen casting their nets and navigating the waters in their boats, relying on the river's bounty. Beyond its economic significance, the Gandak River is a source of natural beauty and recreation. People come to its banks to relax, enjoy the cool breeze, and spend time with their families. It is a place where nature and community come together. The river offers a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Many come here to meditate or simply sit quietly, finding solace in the gentle flow of the water. Recognizing its importance, the government has initiated several conservation efforts to preserve the Gandak River. Cleanup crews and officials work tirelessly to maintain its health and ensure it remains a vital resource for future generations. The Gandak River is an integral part of life in Maharajganj. It connects generations, from elders who have seen its flow for decades to children who play by its banks. Protecting this river is not just an environmental necessity, but a cultural imperative, ensuring that it continues to nourish and inspire for years to come. Section 4. Rural life and agriculture near Sonauli. Sonauli is a border town. Nestled in the district of Maharajganj, it serves as a significant transit point, connecting the vast lands of India with the neighboring country of Nepal. This unique positioning makes Sonauli a bustling hub of activity where the cultures and traditions of two nations blend seamlessly. It is located in Maharajganj and is a major transit point connecting India and Nepal. The border crossing is always alive with the movement of people and vehicles, a testament to the town's importance in regional trade and travel. The town is known for its rural setting, where life is slow-paced. Away from the hustle and bustle of the border, the heart of Sonauli beats to a different rhythm, one that is in tune with nature and the changing seasons. Agriculture is the main occupation, and people here are hard-working. From dawn till dusk, the fields are alive with the diligent efforts of farmers who toil under the sun to cultivate their lands. They're deeply connected to the land. This connection is not just physical, but also emotional, as generations of families have worked these fields, passing down their knowledge and traditions. The fields are a patchwork of colors, and it is truly a sight to behold. Each plot of land tells a story, with different crops painting the landscape in vibrant hues. Farmers grow a variety of crops, with rice, wheat, and sugarcane being common. These crops are not only staples in the local diet, but also play a crucial role in the economy of the region. The climate is suitable and the soil is fertile. This combination ensures that the fields yield bountiful harvests year after year, sustaining the community and supporting their way of life. The farmers here use traditional methods that are passed down through generations. These age-old techniques, though simple, are effective and have stood the test of time. The produce is fresh and is sold in local markets. These markets are vibrant places where the community comes together to buy and sell, sharing stories and strengthening bonds. Life in Sonauli is simple and peaceful. The villagers lead a life that is in harmony with nature, finding joy in the small everyday moments. The people are friendly and live in harmony with nature. Their lives are intertwined with the land and they take pride in their community and their way of life. Sonauli offers a glimpse into the rural life of Maharajganj. It is a place where tradition meets tranquility and where the spirit of the land and its people shines brightly. Section 5. Wildlife of Maharajganj. Maharajganj is home to a variety of incredible wildlife. The district has forests and rivers, providing a natural habitat where animals can thrive. You can find deer in the forests grazing peacefully. Monkeys are a common sight swinging from the trees. The rivers are home to fish and you can spot crocodiles basking in the sun. Birdwatchers will love Maharajganj as the district has many bird species. You can see colorful kingfishers darting along the rivers and majestic peacocks displaying their beautiful feathers. The people of Maharajganj value wildlife and understand its importance. They protect the animals and believe in living in harmony with them. Section 6. Maharajganj's climate and agriculture. Maharajganj has a humid subtropical climate, which means it experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year. The summers are hot and can be quite intense, often reaching high temperatures that make the days feel long and sweltering. The monsoons bring much-needed rain, transforming the landscape into a lush green paradise. The winters, on the other hand, are mild and pleasant, providing a respite from the heat. This type of weather is particularly beneficial for agriculture. Farmers in Maharajganj rely heavily on the monsoon rains to water their crops. The arrival of the monsoon is eagerly anticipated each year as it is crucial for the success of their farming activities. Rice is a major crop in Maharajganj and requires a significant amount of water to grow. The flooded fields during the monsoon season are a common sight, with farmers diligently planting rice seedlings in the waterlogged soil. The monsoon season is crucial for rice cultivation, as the abundant rainfall ensures that the paddies remain submerged. Once the monsoon season ends, farmers prepare their fields for the next crop cycle. Wheat is another important crop in Maharajganj, sown in the winter months when the weather is cooler. The mild winters in Maharajganj are ideal for wheat cultivation. The cool temperatures and clear skies create perfect conditions for the wheat to grow and thrive. In addition to wheat, the climate also supports the growth of a variety of fruits and vegetables, which are cultivated in the winter months. Mangoes from Maharajganj are particularly famous for their sweet and juicy flavor. The unique climate of the region plays a significant role in enhancing the taste and quality of the mangoes. During the mango season, the orchards are filled with ripe, delicious fruits, and farmers work tirelessly to harvest them. The diverse climate of Maharajganj supports a wide variety of crops, making it a rich and fertile region for agriculture. From rice and wheat to fruits and vegetables, the farmers of Maharajganj take full advantage of the favorable weather conditions to cultivate a range of produce that sustains the local economy and feeds the community. Section 7. Maharajganj, a blend of nature and culture. Maharajganj is a place where nature and culture meet. The district is known for its natural beauty and also has a rich cultural heritage. Maharajganj is close to Nagar, a Buddhist pilgrimage site where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. People from all over the world visit Nagar. Maharajganj has many temples and shrines, which are a testament to its history. The people of Maharajganj are religious and celebrate festivals with great enthusiasm. The district is a melting pot of cultures, with people from different communities living together in harmony. This blend of nature and culture makes Maharajganj unique. It is a place worth visiting.